In a recent study led by researchers at the University of Texas at Austin, scientists used zircons from the Andes Mountains of Patagonia to uncover a previously overlooked step in the tectonic process of raising seafloors into mountains. The zircons, tiny minerals used as geologic timekeepers, revealed a chemical signature associated with tectonic plates moving apart, despite forming during plate collision. This unexpected signature led to the proposal of a new model involving oceanic crust influencing the magma chamber, where zircons form, representing a transitional step in the formation of back-arc basins. These basins play a crucial role in shaping landscapes, geological records, and climate regulation, highlighting the significance of this discovery.
The research not only sheds light on the formation of back-arc basins in the Andes of Patagonia, but also has broader implications for understanding similar geological structures worldwide. The study suggests that the same tectonic forces that squeeze oceanic crust into mountains may underthrust parts of that crust, influencing the chemical signatures recorded in the zircons during the early to middle stages of basin closure. This transitional phase, where zircons are influenced by oceanic crust, could be a common feature in back-arc basins globally. The significance of this discovery lies in its potential to expand our understanding of the Earth's geological processes and the formation of key geological structures that have profound impacts on the planet's climate and geological records.
Furthermore, the findings have practical implications for ongoing research, as the study's lead author, Fernando Rey, is currently analyzing zircons from the Sea of Japan to determine if similar signs of oceanic crust influencing zircon signatures can be observed in modern back-arc basins. This research not only advances our understanding of the geological processes in the Andes of Patagonia, but also continues a legacy of discovery about back-arc basins at UT Austin, adding to the body of knowledge established by previous research conducted at the institution. The study was funded by the National Science Foundation and UT Austin, underscoring the significance of this research in advancing our understanding of Earth's geological processes and history. In conclusion, this study represents a significant advancement in the understanding of the tectonic processes that shape our planet's geological landscape. By using zircons to uncover a previously overlooked step in the formation of back-arc basins, the researchers have not only contributed to the body of knowledge about the Andes Mountains of Patagonia, but have also paved the way for further exploration and understanding of similar geological structures globally. This research has the potential to impact not only the field of geology, but also our understanding of the Earth's climate and geological history, highlighting the crucial role of such studies in advancing our knowledge of the natural world.
My name is Ricardo A Valls. I'm a professional geologist registered in the province of Ontario, Canada, and also the president of Valls Geoconsultant. Geology, geochemistry, structural analysis, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. I am sure you will find something useful among my over 400 videos.
I think these videos are brilliant, and I'm sure you will like them too. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell.